we guide you through how to delete a Google account quickly and safely. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com, then sign into the account you want to remove. Next, click on Data and Privacy from the left menu and scroll down until you see More Options. Then, select Delete your Google account. Google will ask you to sign in again for security. So confirm your password. After that, carefully read the warnings showing what you will lose, like Gmail, Drive files, and YouTube access. Then tick the confirmation boxes to acknowledge the deletion impact. Once done, click Delete Account to permanently remove it. If you are on mobile, you can also go to Settings, Google, manage your Google account, then follow the same data and privacy setup or steps. Remember, this action is permanent after a short recovery window, so make sure to back up important data before confirming.